Hotel Transylvania 3 is fun, fresh, new. It's the monsters getting out of the hotel, and it's monsters on vacation.
I could not be more excited to have all of you on board our first ever monster cruise! I legit love these movies, so I was a no-brainer for me to want to be a part of them. I have seen them, as a mom, I have seen these movies many times.
Being a part of the Hotel T crew, it's a dream. You know, so many talented, funny people.
It's comedy for the whole family, not just the kids, the parents too. Well-written family comedy.
I gotta warn you, I played second team co-ed intramural volleyball at Santa Cruz.
You're gonna laugh. I hope you just laugh and have fun.
So, you must be the one and only Dracula. There's just something about an accent that makes a man sound so intelligent.